Hello and welcome back to the video. We're about to buy Simone Nicole TV, and that's on what? Period poop. So this is going to be another Airbnb tour. I'm trying to set the camera up real quick, y'all. But we have to leave in like 15 minutes because checkout is at 11 and it's 10:40 right now. So I just wanted to do an intro. I'm gonna go ahead and walk you guys through the apartment. This is an apartment. It's a 1-bedroom apartment, 1 bath. There's a full bathtub for you to lay in and relax, and there's a shower. You're gonna see that in just a minute. This is in the Brookhaven. This is in the Brookhaven. What is it in? Is Buckhead? Oh, we are located in Buckhead. This is the Buckhead apartment complex. I don't know the name of it, but it's right behind Loft 25, I think is the name. 25 something. I'll put it down in the description box. I'll link the host. She was great. She's very communicative. Had no issues. The only thing is that it snowed while we were here, so we had to let the water, like, you know, drip drop during the nighttime. And the heat worked fine, so that's all I was worried about when it came to snowing here in Atlanta, Georgia. But yeah, it was a great stay. We were here for about 6 days. Didn't have any issues with any noise. We're on the 3rd floor, so you didn't have to worry about anybody stumbling on our heads. The community is, I would say, family oriented and like young adult, because there was people walking their dogs, kids playing in the road on some evenings. But I mean, it was a pretty chill stay. Didn't have any issues. Neighbors are nice. I needed a can opener, and a neighbor on the 2nd floor let me borrow her can opener. So yeah, I definitely recommend you guys staying here. It's very affordable. I believe it was $75 a night, I think. So very, very affordable, and it's in a great area if you're someone who wants to go out and shop, or just, you know, go out and do things, because it's in the heart. I would say this is like considered the heart of Atlanta. There's Lenox Mall about 10 minutes down the road, I think. There's a Target, Kroger 10 minutes down the road. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the tour. Oh, and I also picked it because it's just so cute. Like, it's so girly, it's so flamboyant. Like, it's obvious that a girl owns this listing on Airbnb because of the decorations. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start the front door. When you walk in, here is the door. There is no overhead lighting. First off, you got SZA on the screen. What's up, SZA? There's no overhead lighting, but there's a nice TV. There's a mirror over there. The couch is right here when you first walk in. It's two it's almost like it was supposed to be a sectional, but the middle piece is missing. I don't know, what do you guys think? Oh, let me move that off. Don't mind this, you guys. We're all grown here. It's just my sanitary stuff. But yeah, that's the sectionals. If you're over 5'3", you cannot lay down on these the way you would think, unless your back is in the corner, because it's not very long. Like, my feet were dangling and I'm like 5'6", 5'7"-ish. So yeah, there's this table here. There's a light over there, a light here. You can actually adjust the lighting if you want it all the way on or not, which is nice. It gives off this diamond effect in the room. I'll show you guys that in a minute if I have time. That's my blanket right there. So this is a little chair, a side chair, which was nice to sit on. It's very comfortable, it smells very clean. My boyfriend said the first day we came there, he sat on it, he was like, oh, it smells like washing powder. So they keep everything very sanitized, very clean. There's a stand right here. We just kept our items on here, like the switch to plug up to the outlet to play games and watch Netflix and other accounts. Another bonus is that there are accounts already on the Netflix here, so if you don't have a Netflix account, you don't have to worry about that. You can still watch if you would like. And this is the dining room table. Very nice, very nice. The trash can is very tiny, so you'll be taking out trash a lot unless you buy your own can or bring a bag, like buy your own big bags. Kitchen fully stocked, full fridge, and a washer and dryer is included, which is nice. I went ahead and threw our dirty towels in here for whenever they're gonna wash whenever we leave. And they have supplies there for you. That's already empty. It was empty when we got here, but they do have supplies. They might have extras when you guys come if you decide to stay at this Airbnb. So yeah, there's a dishwasher. Kitchen is very basic, but it's enough. It's what you need. It's a little quaint, small, nice kitchen. And then moving on, the bedroom is to the left. This is the bedroom. TV, nice screen. I think it's the same size as the one that is in the living room. We have the table, nightstand over here and on that side. Very basic. There's a closet. Well, we couldn't enter the closet, so I'm sure she has her belongings in there because it's locked. There's a dresser. Heading over here is the restroom. Oh, there's a closet right here she can use though. In the restroom, you know, basic, nice and clean. Nice and clean. But yeah. And then there is the balcony, the last thing I'm gonna show you guys. I don't know who dog was in here, but somebody's dog was going crazy. And I feel like that's why it looks like this, because either it was a child or a dog, but that was like that when we got here. Ugh. Whew. And here is the balcony. There aren't any furniture, so unless you travel with your own furniture, or just go to the dollar store and get some chairs if you want to come out here and take smoke breaks or whatever, you can do so. But this is the view from the apartment, which is very, you know, apartment-like. So yeah, that is it. So again, thank you guys for watching the video. Like, comment down below if you have any comments, questions, you want to share anything, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.